So we have this simple website. From this website, we need to find our flag to solve the WebDecode CTF challenge from picoCTF. The description says, you know how to use the web inspector. So we have our clue. To find the flag, we need to use the web inspector. Now to use the web inspector, press the F12 key on your keyboard and the inspector will open up. You can also right click and click on inspect and the same inspector will open up. In the left side, you'll find the HTML code. HTML is used to structure the web page. In the right side, we find the CSS. This is used to design and style the website. Now to search for the flag, let's search for the flag in our HTML code. So after searching for the code, I did not find the flag. Let's check the about page. It says try inspecting the page. You might find it there. So I'll right click and click on inspect and I can instantly see we have a section class about and a notify true attribute with some sort of a string. This looks like a base64 encoded string. Let's copy this and decode. I'll search for something like base64 decode. Paste my string and click on decode and I can see we found the flag. I'll copy this and submit the flag and we were correct. Let's solve another one. Let's solve this one. The description says I don't like scrolling down to read the code of my website, so I have squished it and we need to find the flag. Let's check the website and like the last challenge, let's inspect the page. Let's check the HTML code. So we have this div class picoCTF that can be expanded. So here we have the header. Welcome to my flag distribution website. This is this line over here. We have another div class. If I expand it, I can see we have the first paragraph. If you're reading this, your browser has successfully received the flag. This is this line over here. Next, we have an empty paragraph and it belongs to this class. The name of the class is our flag. So let's copy this and submit the flag. And we were correct. Let's solve another one. Let's solve this one. Includes. So the description says, can you get the flag? Go to this website and see what you can discover. So I'll go to this website and we have a header, a description, and we have a button that says say hello. So if I click on the button, I can see we have a pop-up which says this code is in a separate file. Let's right click and click on view page source and I can see we have the static HTML code. The separate files that are connected to this HTML code are style.css and script.js. So let's first take the JavaScript code. I can see we have the greetings function which will alert us with this code is in a separate file. This is what we saw earlier when we clicked the button. So JavaScript is doing this, and in this script I can see there is an internal comment which looks like the end of a flag. So I'll copy this and save it somewhere. Let's find the first part of the flag. I can see there is this CSS file. If I click on this file, this CSS file makes the color of the website light blue, and we also have an internal comment that looks like the first part of our flag. So if I copy this, add it before the last part of our flag, I can see we found the full flag. I'll copy this, paste it, and submit our flag, and I can see we were correct. So we are going over the web exploitation CTF challenges of picoCTF. If you want to see more of these challenges, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.